I have just found out that this is garlic mustard. I mean, it's growing everywhere, but it certainly is growing like a weed, and it's growing in behind this hedge where it's a really dark shady spot, and it's doing great. I've got nettles next to it as well. Yeah, pleased with that. We can use this in salads. We've got these bits of wood under the supports, which makes it a bit awkward to put containers and things in here. So what I've done is I've put some wood either side of it to make sure that it's actually level. You see that plate is level. Close enough. So once this is level, any containers and pots I put in there are level. I've got to do the same at the other end. So I've had to do a bit of cutting and putting pieces together to make this, but this will be all level, and I'll get 5 or 6 tomatoes along here down the middle, and of course they'll be tied to that rope in the middle. And this end is now also level, so you can put a couple of pots in here, or maybe just one pot. After I watered what I put in this tray, I realised that it's got a couple of small holes in it, so the water was leaking out. I'm going to put another piece of blue plastic, same as what's in the other trays, in here on top of the black compost bag liner, and then that should be watertight and strong enough. Now this tray is dead level. Okay, slightly off there, but that's close enough. People ask, what do you do with all these wood chips? But if you put them on thick, then if you compare that side and this side, it covers up 90%. There'll be some grass and bits down the side, and the odd weed will come through, but if it gets rid of 90%, and then as it rots down in a couple of years, this will all be nicely well rotten mulch that I can put on the beds and then apply fresh wood chips. I mean, look at this side. Digging all this stuff is a nightmare, whereas this is a lot easier. I just put a thick layer of wood chips whenever I get it,